Hello traders and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a Binance account. Binance is one of the largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, offering a wide range of digital assets for trading. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step tutorial of creating a Binance account and getting you started with trading on this platform. Step number 1. Visit the Binance website. To get started, go to Binance.com and click on the Register button in the top right corner of the homepage. Step number 2. Enter your email and password. Here you will enter your email address and create a strong password that you will use to log into your Binance account. Make sure to use a password that you have not used on any other websites and that you will be able to remember. Step number 3. Verify your email address. After you have entered your email and password, Binance will send you a verification email. Click on the link in the email to verify your email address and complete the sign-up process. Next is step number 4. Enable two-factor authentication. This step is optional, but it is strongly advised. For added security, we recommend enabling two-factor authentication on your Binance account. This is a security measure that requires you to enter a one-time code in addition to your password when logging into your account. To enable it, go to the security section in your account settings and follow the prompts to set it up. Next is step number 5. Fund your account. Now that your Binance account is set up, you can start trading on the platform. To do this, you will need to fund your account with cryptocurrency. First, go to the Funds section and click on the Deposits tab. From there, you can select the cryptocurrency that you want to deposit and follow the prompts to complete the transactions. And that is it, traders. You have now a Binance account and can start trading on the platform. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching and happy trading.